All right, time for some Tuesday birthdays across the area, and we begin in Fredonia with Eli Studebaker celebrating birthday number 4. Happy birthday, Eli.
That is a big old leaf there. Let's see, we've got Raylan Martin celebrating birthday number 5 this year. And Raylan is in Stott City, Missouri with love from Grandma, Grandpa, and Aunt Tiffany.
And we've got Michael O'Banion Jr. celebrating birthday number 6 on an awesome tractor there in Pittsburgh. This comes as happy birthday from Mama, Daddy, and the sisters.
All right, in McCune, Kansas, Katie Martin is turning 8 years old this year. Happy birthday, Katie.
And we've got Reed Wachter celebrating birthday number 10. And Reed is a 4th grader at St. Mary's, loves sports, and this comes with love from Granny and Papa.
That's a great picture there of Reed. All right, Emery Hilburn, turning 10 years old. Emery attends Seneca Intermediate. Her father is actually the high school football coach there. With love from Mimi and Papa. Happy birthday, Emery.
And we've got McRae Frankenberry celebrating birthday number 11 in Frontenac, and this comes with happy birthday from your grandparents.
All right. And Hemi Oni, turning 12 years old this year. Happy birthday to Hemi in Girard, sporting the Trojan shirt there. All right.
And we've got Kyron Kegler celebrating birthday number 12 as well up in Fort Scott. Kyron, a happy birthday to you. Some great trophies you've got there.
I know, that's awesome. Okay, we've got Allie Bartley celebrating birthday number 20 this year. Allie is in Wyandotte, attending Fort Scott Community College right now. With love from Grandma and Grandpa.
And we've got Paul Ballou celebrating birthday number 63 in Fort Scott. And if it's Paul's birthday, it's Dylan Ballou's birthday as well, as he turns 8 in Fort Scott. And Dylan is Paul's grandson. So what a great birthday gift there.
That's awesome. And we've got Jay Evans in Columbus celebrating birthday number 64 this year. Happy birthday, Jay.
And we've got Teresa Obenhaus. Her birthday was on November the 10th, so she's been celebrating for a while now, turning 71 in Erie. Happy birthday, Teresa.
All right, in Joplin, turning 82, it's time to celebrate for Roy Goding. Like somebody was getting out on the water. That looks like a lot of fun. Happy birthday, Roy.
It certainly does. Looks warmer than what it is right now. We've got Lorene Newton celebrating birthday number 99 yesterday, so now 99 and a day in Fredonia. Happy birthday, Lorene.
A great picture there of Miss Lorene. Happy birthday. And Trina Ashmore in Frontenac. She's on the right there in that picture. Birthday was on Sunday. We're doing it today, though, because the lady on the left, Amber Knobloch from Pittsburgh, her birthday, well, both of them were on Sunday, but we've got a double picture. A double birthday for Trina and Amber.
And we've got Stone Nash in Seneca, one of our many 4-state heroes, recently deployed to Poland the day before his birthday. So very happy birthday. Thank you for all that you do, and this comes with love from the entire family.
All right, we thank you for your service. And my dear friend Shirley Thompson in Columbus, happy birthday. Hope you have a wonderful day today. Debbie Coons in the bus is also celebrating. Should be a party.
And we've got Julie Page in Erie celebrating birthday number 56. And this comes with happy birthday from the family. We've also got Candy Hale in Joplin celebrating a birthday. And Lori Coker in Parsons celebrating a birthday. It says happy birthday from the family and friends. What a fantastic list we had. Tanya's going to tell you how you can make it even longer for us.
That's right. All you have to do is send us your birthday picture and name and all the details. Don't forget to tell us when the birthday is to birthdayswithanS@KOAMTV.com, or you can send it to birthdays@KOAMNewsNow.com.
And when you check out our website, because it's so awesome as it is, I mean, it just recently won a first place from the Kansas Association of Broadcasters for Best Website. And part of that reason is because we've got the KOAM Birthday Club over there. You can sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get great deals from local businesses and a happy birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Just go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the Birthday Club today.